Welcome. If you purchased the little A-frame kit, I'm just going to walk you through how to do it very quickly here. So in your kit, you should have everything you need to build this, with the exception of a glue gun. So make sure you do have one of those. On the wood slice, you'll see there's a little hole in there. That's because these are mostly used for ornaments. Just ignore it. By the time we're done, you won't see the hole in there. So take your glue gun and we're going to set the A-frame. I like to set it back a little bit because we will be gluing things in the front. So I usually don't do it straight in the center. Next up, you should have some Christmas trees in your kit, and they may not look exactly like these. Every kit will have surprise trees in them, so they may be a variety of different colors depending on which kit you received in the mail. So just find a spot you like, and we're going to glue those down directly. I leave the bases on the trees. I have in the past pulled those little bases off and used a thumbtack to put a hole in the wood slice. And I just kind of put that wire right down into the wood slice. It's up to you. I mean, honestly, at the end, you won't see the base much anyway, so it's easier just to glue it straight down. Next, you should have some little woodland pieces. So a little deer. He's cute here. Is it exactly proportional? No, but it's adorable. So we're going to put him down, and then we should have a little mushroom coming up next. And the mushrooms, they're florals. They're meant to go in florals, so they will come with a wire. Just pull that out. We're going to glue that directly down to the wood slice as well. And just pick a spot that looks good. All of mine look completely different. You'll see a little picture at the end again. So once this is done, you will see you have a little packet of greenery in your kit. Go ahead and pull that out. And also you'll have both white paint and some glue, which is just Mod Podge. So we're going to put the glue all over the base. Doesn't have to be perfect. And I always glue the base after I put the house and the deer and everything on. I used to put it on top of the grass when it was done, but it just didn't stick long term. So I glue everything down firmly first, and then we're going to go in with the greenery, and it still looks amazing and lasts a long time. It's a lot more durable. So just put that glue down, put the greenery down. It does not have to be perfect. Don't worry about it. We're going to put some glitter on it at the end, so it will really brighten it up. So you want it all around the front and the back. So we're going to do that real quick. And I kind of fast forwarded it a little bit so you didn't have to watch me do the whole thing. But at this point, we're getting close to having the whole thing covered in greenery. I see a little bald spot, so we'll take care of that real quick. All right, once we have everything covered in your kit, you will have also some white paint. So you could also use the glue for this. I'm using the white paint because I want it to have a snowy effect too. But on top of this white paint, we're also going to put some glitter. So you can put some more snow on your trees if you like. I'm going to spruce up those a little bit. And then I'm just going to kind of slop, sounds like a weird word. I'm going to slop the paint over this greenery because I want it kind of thick and goopy, because I am going to put snow on top. So I want lots of room for that to adhere, if that makes sense. So we're just going to go around here, looking good. And you can see how it's looking so far. And also in your kit, you have some snow or glitter, kind of snow glitter. It's a combination. So now that you have that thick paint down, we're just going to take all of this snowy glitter and just sprinkle it all over the top. And any of the trees that you put paint on or anything, this will all stick and just look really cute. All right, so we're going to finish this up. I'm going to show you what it looks like up front. Better view of this. Okay, there it is. And I'm going to show you some of the others I did as well. And I really hope you enjoyed this kit and have a Merry Christmas.